Hello there. So I had previously recorded an intro, so I'm just redoing it right now. This video is not going to have any talking in it unless I do like a little bit of a voiceover. Essentially, it's going to be me using a white t-shirt like this or a white button up like this, styling it a whole bunch of different ways. It was inspired by this TikToker named Kristen Cabot. I had seen a post that she had done on Pinterest basically doing a whole bunch of different looks, and I tried to recreate some of those and it did not work out, so I'll put that in the beginning. But then after that, I'll be doing the ones that did work out and the ones that I created myself. I hope you enjoy. You're not getting caught. There's no way. There is no way. I mean, I look like the Scranton Flasher, so no.
More than you know. Every minute with you I stumble. Maybe that's why you're still here. That makes me love you even more.
thank you so much for watching if you got to the end of the video. That's my idea, my little take on what I had seen on Pinterest. Also, just like, I love white shirts. I feel like they're one of the most versatile clothing pieces. And this is a men's from Goodwill. Perfectly crisp white. The other one was from Shein, but I got it a long time ago. And it's just two different varieties of white shirts that you can use to make so many different outfits, because it's really a piece that is so versatile. Depending on the setting, you can really wear them whenever you want. Yeah, so that was my take. If you did like this video and you want to leave a like, I would be really grateful. And if you want to see more, maybe consider subscribing. Yeah, I'm sorry if the video was not really good quality at the beginning. I'm still trying to figure out like what angles I want and what looks good and what doesn't. So yeah, I just figured that I'd put out like a short little video this week just so there would be some form of content so I can continue making content just because I enjoy it. If you liked it and it helped, great. I'm really happy about that. That's kind of just the idea for this. It's like when there isn't a lot of ideas for outfits, you know, just kind of putting it out there. Why am I getting all philosophical? Anyway, again, thank you so much for watching, and maybe I'll see you next time. Bye.